Pamaramad kami nyo.
Oh, we are here in the beautiful
Ilagub
island.
lang. Para kami marupos purod. Pangawil kami. Ewan kung maglugub. Tekong ko dyan kita puro. Kita na eh.
Pwede? Oh.
Maglagub kami. Pangawil kami dyan. Sa likod.
Naglagab kami lang.
Padong na dito sa likod. Para kami ng puro.
Oh.
This is beautiful.
Ikaw na lang. Come, we'll go down and... OMG! So dito lang kami at after a few hours na nangisda dyan at meron naman kaming konting huli, ihaw muna kami at kakain dito sa magandang isla ni Kuya. So, ay! Dali mo yung yung plywood dyan na maliit, ilapag natin dito. We will make fire here.
Oh, you're gonna make it there?
Yeah. Oh, ganda ng isla.
Keep all your game as it lost, as it lost. It's all the same as it lost, as it lost. Keep all your game as it lost, as it lost.
Pag-ihaw natin. Gamitin mo muna ito, lagyan natin ng mga dahon-dahon. Ari ka mga kawi-kawi dyan sa bukid o sa baybay.
It's all the same as it lost, as it lost.
Kuha tayo ng pag-ikahoy na iihawan natin ang isda. Oh, we have fire now.
Hey, are we sleeping here tonight?
What?
A lot of wood here.
Yes.
Keep all your game as it lost, as it lost. It's all the same as it lost.
What can you say to the island?
Look at this. The views, the company.
Yeah.
Can't get better than this. Really, I can't.
Only in the Philippines. Palawan.
Palawan.
Yeah, only in Palawan. Yeah.
You wish you were here with us.
After
You should be.
after catching fish.
I know. Look at the fish.
Yeah, look at the fish.
We just caught it maybe 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And
Very
soon
fresh.
it's going to be cooked.
Catch
Fresh.
and cook.
Oh, yes.
Perfect for lunch.
Pagpagadan, diretso.
May ihawan tayo dapat? Meron? Okay. Only fried? Ah, more. Smoked fish.
Kuya,
Joan.
di pa kami sa coron. Where are you, my queen?
Yeah, we are here in Coron. So how are you?
I'm super good.
Did you
Lots
catch
of fish.
fish?
He got different
Wow.
fish.
Lots of different fish. It was an
Good.
amazing experience. How you going?
We are good. A bit busy. I'm looking for a bag.
Oh, okay. Yeah, your brother Richard's cooking the fish on the grill.
Did
We're in the
you
island.
cook?
We're on the island.
You are in the island.
Kalumbuyan.
You are in the island for lunch?
Yes.
Yes, getting
I-
spoiled here. Like a
Good.
king.
Good idea, King. Good.
Yeah, I feel you're working hard and we're sitting here back.
Yeah.
We're enjoying here. We rented the whole island.
I know.
Oh, where island you go?
Yeah.
I
The
am
beautiful
there.
views. I'm going to jump in the water soon. Go for a swim.
Nag-lunch na kayo?
Nag-lunch na kami.
Oh, okay.
We're waiting for the fish.
Yeah.
Fruits.
Yeah, we can share that together. Mango after the fish if you like. Or banana.
Oh,
Want a
you don't
banana?
have yet your lunch?
All fruits. Banana. Mango.
Yeah.
Apple.
I need,
For Harry.
Yep. I said I wanted fruit salad.
need to
Yeah.
buy. We need to buy again vegetable here.
How did you get there? Tricycle?
By the tricycle.
Okay, bye for now. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you
Yasu,
for your
agapin
call.
mo.
We'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
So you say, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Got the head chef here. Cutting salad for us. Head chef on the island. He's not cheap to hire, this head chef. Very expensive.
Huwag kita. Magandang tumadlaw dyan, merinda. Okay.
Oh. Ilagay mo dyan. That's
Oh, wow.
Kung magkamay lang, ayaw ko magkanutsara.
You trying to make me to stay here in Philippines, eh? Don't go back to Australia. Spoiling me.
Very fresh. Yummy! Let's eat, mga Tangay! Having lunch in a beautiful island.
They all look good. I don't know which one. It's a fish. They're all going to be good. Thank you guys for
This one also
doing
good.
this.
Sarap. Kain tayo.
This one is broken-hearted fish.
No.
Broken-hearted fish.
Does anyone eat their head? Because I don't eat their head. I'll leave it here.
Yeah.
Salad's nice. Got lots of flavour.
Naka ng dugso. Not that good, sir. This is the one I tried.
That's the one you catch, wasn't it? The trophy.
We'll do fishing. We'll use that boat, the big one.
Really?
Then Johan will come in other family. Sun drink. Then all together. Then we can cook there.
Are you allowed to do that? Yeah? No problem?
Yeah, we're almost done our lunch in the island with Doogie here. Doogie. Kalas, all fish. God. Harry have eaten a lot of rice today.
Rice and fish is perfect diet.
Yeah.
And a beautiful salad
Yeah.
by the chef.
Yeah. Nagustuhan niya yung sausawan. Very
It's a
tasty.
secret salad, so he won't tell us what it is. I mean the dressing, not the,
The
salad,
dressing, yeah.
but the dressing. It's the best salad dressing I've ever had.
Ano yun, yung mix of tomato, onion, vinegar, and anong tawag doon?
Chili haba.
Oo. The green chili, salt, and yung wild yun, tawag doon? Turmeric. Oo, turmeric. Langkawas, yan.
Marami lang tayong pera, di tayo nakakabili.
Meron?
Pin.
Maliliit pa. Paksyo yan, masarap.
Oh, champion of champion.
Oh. That's ginto fish. Gold fish.
Yeah, no, look at it.
There is
Special
gold.
fish.
And sounds like frog.
Yeah,
See? Do you hear that?
I see.
Again? Wow. Oh, welcome back mga Tangay.
Sa kabo.
Hey, bro, is he using more hooks than me?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why. That's why I'm doing something wrong.
But see, there's no bite. Only the one.
Yeah, no, he hasn't got bite.
Close, yeah. Oh, welcome back mga Tangay. So, time check about 5 p.m. now. Oh, we're almost like 4 hours, 5 hours maybe. Oh, someone's calling again. Fish now, huh?
Maybe a baby one.
Baby fish. Oh, there it is. See? First fish here.
Thank you.
I will hold.
I like this one. Pretty color.
Push.
We kick
Just
this
push,
one?
push it back, not pulling. Yes. You did it. Yeah. Oh, here. What? Ah, there is big fish here. Putol na? There is a big fish cutting the nylon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, naughty.
Naughty fish.
Naughty fish.
Pating!
Maybe shark.
Yeah, maybe.
Or
Sharp
this, what is the other fish? Barracuda. Yeah.
Come to me, fish. It's a little baby one.
Oh, same one.
I know. Brother.
Brother.
Little bit bigger.
But color is different. That's the cousin.
Cousin. Lots of cousins here in this
I
water.
will hold the tomato.
Beautiful. Thank you. Good teamwork.
Time check about 5:15 p.m. now at malapit na mag-sunset at you know, ilang dangkal na lang. Isang dangkal na lang yung araw. Malapit na. Bago magdilim, kailangan nating umuwi. At kahit papaano mayroon pa rin kumakain. Isda. Oh, the captain is drinking.
Hi, hello. The captain. He's controlling the boat and catching fish. Wow. Amazing skills. Oh,
Oh, escape.
have you got it? No? Oh,
Back to mama.
that's why it's always good to have a net. There's your small net.
Bisugo.
Bisugo. Oh, almost full.
Yeah.
Lapu-lapu, lapu-lapu, akot. Pikul
There's
akot.
a lot of mixed fish. Good.
Ano ito, Tay? Ayan. Ito na yung mga nakuha naming isda. Oh, good for today, for 2 days.
Nagkain kami sa Kalumbuyan.
Ang dami rin, halos puno ang palanggana. Ito maya-maya, nakuha ni Hari. Iyan, nakuha ni Hari ito. Oh. Anong isda ito?
Lawiyan. May lawi.
Di ba? Masarap ito siguro. Laki ng ano. Oh. Ngayon kumakain yung mga putian, sana. Kaya lang ano na, hapon na. Mag ano na lang, separate for us. We'll bring it. For Nancy, for us. And that's enough for our dinner tonight. So hati-hatiin yan para sa pamilya. Sa baryo at dito sa dahat para may pang-ulam ngayong gabi. At syempre kung bago pa lang kayo sa Tangay TV, huwag makakalimot mag-subscribe. Pindutin nyo po ang bell icon para nanonotify kayo sa lahat ng mga video ang aking ina-upload. Ayan. Salamat sa inyong pagsama ngayong araw na to. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Kita-kita tayong muli sa Tangay TV.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Amazing
Fishing.
fishing experience.
Yes. Eating.
Thank you for the experience. And now we're sorting out all the fish for the whole family.
Yes.
And everyone's going to have fresh fish tonight.
Wow.
Bye. I love you.
Bye-bye. Ayan, we're back home. Dito na kami sa dahat. At nag-enjoy kami ngayong araw na to. At syempre, marami kaming nakuha. Syempre, salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin sa araw na ito para mangisda. At ma-experience ni Hari ang hook in line. I mean, fishing.